Okay, so um, just now before disconnecting, we configured India router and a USA router. Name is, this is the USA router. Okay, and we can write down the network also. This is my India network is uh, India India LAN. I will say 192.168.10.0/24. Okay. Similarly, USA router, USA LAN. What is that? 192.168.20.0/20. Okay, and this is our WAN. For the WAN, what we use 192.168.1.1/20. So guys, in real time, we don't waste this much of IP addresses. We use /30. We will see that subnets /30, so that only two IPs. There will be four IPs in that. One IP will be for the network, one IP will be for the broadcast, and one IP here, one IP here. So like this, we will save the IP addresses. We'll see that. Okay, so we created this diagram. We configure IP address here, we configure IP address here, here, and here. So four IP addresses we configure. Okay, done. So now let's have a look here on the India router first. See where I am. I'm in the India router. Show IP interface brief. Can you see in this is my India router? Sorry, India LAN. Okay, LAN gateway, and this is my I configure this IP address 0.0.1. So can I show if I say show interface description? Oh, command will not be here. Show run. So can you see? You will see that description here. See, this is for our reference. So it is showing okay. India LAN is this. This is connected to India LAN. And if you say pass 0/1, okay, if you don't put the description, it will be very difficult. If someone new guy he joined and he want to know which IP is going where, so the interface description will help you to understand the interface, the IP address belongs to that. Okay, so it is clearly it is saying. Okay, okay, so India router, we have verified that. Then show IP route. See, by default India router. Okay, in India router, how many networks here? 192.168.1.0, 192.168.10.0. So which network is missing here? Can you tell me?
20.
Exactly. See, we because this is the default behavior. Okay, have we done any routing here so far? No,
No.
we have not. This is a straightforward connectivity. We haven't done any routing. This is a default behavior of the router. See, on go to this router. Uh, show IP interface brief. So see, two interfaces. This is going here. This is going here. Okay. Show IP route. Can you see the USA router by default have know about this network? Okay. Can you tell me one thing? Which is the common network known by India and USA router?
1.0.
Exactly 192.168.1.1. So can I ping from USA router? Can I ping to that 192.168.1.1? I'm just checking here. See, I'm able to ping. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So see, from India router, I'm here, sorry, USA router, I was able to ping here this interface. And okay, from the same router, okay, can I ping to my LAN into 168.20.10? Yes, I can ping. See, so I'm here from this router, I am able to reach here, I am able to reach here. Okay, but so can I, from the same router, can I try ping this guy
No.
10.10? No, it will never ever ping. Why? Because this router don't have a route for a 192.168.10 dot network. Similarly, just go and verify here in India router. Okay, India router. Okay, so show IP interface brief, we have already seen this. So now let's ping 192.168.10.10, this machine, the India LAN machine. Can I ping? Yes, I can ping that. Can I ping to the WAN network 1.2, this end? 1.2 is this side, this end, because this is directly connected. Can I ping? Yes, I'm able to ping. But can I ping USA machine dot 20.10? No, never. So that's the magic, that's the beauty. So see, we were able to reach directly networks. We understand this one, this one and this one, these both networks are directly connected to India router, that's why we are able to reach there. But this network is not directly connected, that's why we are unable to reach. And if it is not directly connected, that's why we don't have a route. If I go here in India router, show IP route, can you see, you don't have that third route 1020 dot network, this router don't know, that's why the packet is getting dropped. Okay, so similarly, if I go and say show ARP, because router maintain the ARP table also, can you see, it know all the MAC addresses. See, 20.10, it has the MAC address, IP and MAC address. 10.1, its own interface, this is the one. See, 1.2, this is nothing but the MAC address of USA router interface. Okay, similarly, if I say show CDP neighbor, can you see, it is saying USA router is connected to with my 0 by 1, and that platform is 1841, and it is going here, it is connected with its 0 by 1, and it is also saying there is one switch also connected to me, which is connected to 0 by 1, 0 by 0, and its switch model is 2950, and that switch port is 0.10. Can you see, very useful command, show CDP neighbor. Show ARP, we understand the ARP addresses. Okay, now and show IP route. So the only directly, and can you see, C means what? C means connected, directly connected. So now we understand that Hyderabad, sorry, India router don't know about USA router, USA LAN, and USA router don't know about India LAN. So what is the solution? The solution is static routing. First solution is the static routing. Static routing, we just understand. Static routing is manually you need to go to India router and say, if you want, if anyone want to reach 192.168.20.0, they can reach via, this is the next hop. See, remember the next hop. Next hop is very important. So I'm going to India router and defining that config terminal IP route 192.168.20.0 255.255.255.0 and question mark. Can you see, if I put the question mark, what it is saying? It is saying the forwarding router address. So what is the next hop? So the next hop will be 192.168.1.2. Done. I put the manual route there. Now, if I go and check the routing table now, show IP route. Can you see this beauty? S means was what? Static. This route is statically defined. So 192.168.20.0. And can you see what is this? So this is the just I was talking about, this is the administrative distance. Okay, and what it is saying, if you want to go to this network, you can go via 192.168.1.1. It means that now we added the route here. If you want to go here, you need to go via, you can go via here. Okay, so can I try that? See, I'm in the India machine, sorry, yeah, India LAN machine. So you can verify IP config. Okay, so the machine IP 10.1, 10.10. So first thing first, always try to ping the gateway first. 192.168.10.1. Can I ping? Yes, I can ping. Can I ping one dot sorry one, can I ping 192.168 20.10? No, I will never ever ping. Can you tell me why?
You need to configure the other side also. So
Exactly. You configure the route only one side. You have not configured on the India route.
You want to also USS router.
Exactly. So what happening is the traffic is going here, but the return, when it's trying to return back, this router don't have a route. That's why it's stopping. So we need to go here on USA router and say terminal and do show IP route. First check the route. See, two networks now, 1 and 20. He don't know the 10. So we need to say IP route 192.168.10.0 255.255.255.0. How he can go? You can go via 192.168.1.1. That's the next hop. 192.168.1.1. Now check the routing table. So IP route. Can you see the new route got added? Can I go here on India machine? Can I try ping again? See, it's pinging. So we connected. We are reaching from India land to USA land. Yay! We got the routing. Perfect. So from the USA machine, can I ping? Ping 192.168.10.10. Yes, I'm able to ping. So this is called a routing. Like, we connected two different regions, we connected two different networks regardless of the location and all, via WAN connectivity. We connected them. Okay, maybe now in your US office you have servers, so these India users can access those servers. Maybe you have access the controller here, but the access points are here. Yeah. Okay, so you can manage from one side everything. You, if you have printer here, you can take print from here. You give the print, it will go there. That's possible. Why? Because the connectivity, this is the connectivity, the communication is possible now. So what is the ping? This ping test, it say everything is reachable now, everything. Okay, if I say trace route, so how I'm going to reach there? So this command is very important. This verification you have to do. 192.168.20.10. How I'm reaching there? It will tell you the next hop, how it is going. See, now see very carefully. I'm here in this machine. Okay, 10.10 you can see here. So when it started, first thing first, it go to its gateway. 192.168.10.1. Then what is the next hop in the routing table? The router, India router, know that if you want to go to 20 dot network, so via 1.1,
Please go to
1.2,
US
yes,
route.
exactly, and then finally it reach here. So if I see here, so it went here, and from here to here, and from here to here. So like this. Similarly, now tell me, when I do the trace route from USA machine to India machine, can you tell me first orally what will be the next hops?
USA.
Okay.
USA,
USA.
India, and India access machine.
Okay, now see, from this machine I started ping to this guy. Okay, trace. So how the traffic will go? Tell me first. First, where it will go first?
192.168.1.1.
No.
No, that
First,
20.10.
it will go to its gateway. First, it will go to the gateway 192.168.20.1. It will go first. Then this router will say that, oh, I
Yes.
have the routing. So it then 192.168.1.1. Then finally here. So we can test and verify that. See, we are reaching here. Do the tracer 192.168.168.10.10. See, we gateway and here and here. Done. So this is called a static routing. So like this, we can increase n number of things. See, I don't want you to do this complication right now, right away, but this this is possible now. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow, what I have a UK office. Okay, UK RTR. It will take 1 minute for me. But you know, this router don't have the interface. Okay, let's say you are connecting. Okay, let me show you that thing also. So now you have another LAN here, USA LAN. Oh, sorry, UK LAN. Okay, same thing. So let's say the network is 192.168.30.10. Okay, I connected here. Okay, see, in the LAN, you know, all the switching technologies will be run there. All the switching technologies. So okay, here and from here to like port 10 to I'm going to connect here 0 by 0. Okay, now the similarly, if I go and take this one, okay, for 0 by 1, if I go connect here, see, there is no interface. So this router is don't have the interface. So what's the problem? What is the solution? So we need to define that. So for that, what we need to do, that's why in the starting, okay, there is an option we can upgrade the interface. How? So first thing first, save this configuration, web save memory. Okay, so I'm here in the router. Okay, so now there is a button called on off. So off the router. See, so exactly it happened in the real time. The exactly same thing happened. So what I did, I just off the LAN. So now here in the right side you can see the modules 2T, 4ES, 8A, right? So WIC 1A, 2T. So let me take this WIC 2T, the second one. So what I can do, I can put it here, slot 1. Okay, then I'm starting my router again. So now the router is putting. So what we did, we added a new slot, new interface slot on the router. Why? Because there is no slot there. See, I saved that, saved the configuration. That's why the see user router is still there. Enable. Now can I check show IP interface brief? Show IP interface brief. Oh, I got the serial interface. So I don't want that. So what I will do, I will off the router again. I don't want this. Oh, I think we cannot remove now. 2T low, I don't want. Let's take this one. 4ES. 2T. Okay, one. Is it a Ethernet ENET? Let's see that. I don't know.
Ethernet, yeah. Ethernet.
Maybe. Okay, just oh, okay. This is the interface. Okay, we want to take this one only. So I just take this one. Now power on the router again. Okay, now go to the CLI. So this interface will be still there, serial interface. So okay, now I'm here. Enable show IP interface brief. Oh, can you see now? Ethernet 0 by 0. So see, this is the fast Ethernet 0 by 0, and this is the Ethernet. You know what is the difference? The difference is this fast Ethernet 100 Mbps speed. This is a 10 Mbps speed. Okay, so this one we don't want. So you know the alternate option is, the another option is directly you can take some higher module. See, 1941. If you go here and see, okay, this is a Giga Ethernet. If you go, okay, this one, let's take this one, 2811. If I see here also two interface, 2911. Okay, okay, can you see it has the three interfaces? So let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. Uh, in your router, you take this interface, this router, 2911. See, it doesn't matter whatever you take. So what is this? 2911. So this router have multiple interfaces, so you can connect this one. So let's continue this tomorrow. Let's connect the third diagram tomorrow. UK office, but you have to do this two routers today. This lab has to complete today. Very simple, very simple. So you can do it today. Okay, so this is a static route. See, if you understand this static routing, okay, so tomorrow I will show you connected by the third network and how to connect that. Then we will see the default route. Okay, so we will stop here, and this recording, if I get time, I will upload so you can watch it once again. Okay, any questions here?
Are you sending the comments by email?
Okay, I will send. Okay, so I am going to send one notepad. So see, here I configure everything. India router. So go to config terminal, say hostname. Okay, exit. Then go to interface 0 by 0, say India LAN and give the IP address. And same when ISP, give the IP address. And this is the IP route. This one you need to give later, not now. Static route. And if you go here, show verification, show IP interface brief, so you can see this. Show IP route, you can see this. Okay, and similarly show ARP, you can see that. Similarly on the US router. So see, this one you need to do later. So on the static route, first you configure this one and do the verification, then finally add the route, then do the verification. The two things. Okay, so everyone has to do this practice, otherwise the coming chapters you will not understand. So first do one thing, build this lab. Okay, build this lab and save somewhere, save as a basic lab, and you can do static, default, and all the routing on the same lab. Okay, so for now, for today, you just follow this one and complete this. So can someone take the picture and send in the group? Okay. Okay, so we'll stop here. So this is we learn the static routing, and the moral of the story is the network which is not directly connected to a router, we need to add that manually by using the next hop. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow.